So if you're into creating content, there's no doubt that your posts and videos end up on all sorts of social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Elevating your engagement and creating call to actions in your posts is something that's very important. And what better way to do it than motion graphics? So in this tutorial, I'm going to break down a motion graphic post design that will help you elevate your engagement and attract more attention on social media. So without wasting more time, let's jump right into it. But first, what is motion graphics? Motion graphics is an animation, but with text as its major component. So basically, it's an animated graphic design. And in today's tutorial, we're going to use motion graphics to design a product ad for Instagram. You can easily apply this tutorial to other social media platforms by changing the canvas size from the resize tab right here. Alright, so let's say you have a handbag business and you want to advertise a certain product on your boutique's Instagram page. Let's first open an Instagram size canvas and add a background color or photo. You can click on the colorful square button to change the background color, or go to Photos tab on your left hand side and search for a specific photo using the search bar over here. Once you find your photo, make sure to decrease the saturation by clicking on it, edit image, and here you will find a bunch of sliders that will allow you to adjust your image. Now that we have our background, what we want to do here is that we want to add a text so that we can call our audience to take a certain action or let them know about a certain discount. So I'll go with the classic shop now, and let's adjust our text. I'll definitely change the font, and I recommend you do the same, and duplicate it once. Let's see. Maybe we can use some effects like hollow, and let's adjust the thickness using this slider. After that, continue to duplicate the second text until you fill the whole page. And since we don't want to have a messy looking post, remember to select all the text and go to position, then tidy up so that all the texts are aligned. Now at this point, you can import an image of the product. And in my case, I'll just go to the Photos tab and search for an image of a handbag that we can use for this tutorial. Once you have your image, remove the background. And to enhance the look of the product, you can also add a backdrop shadow by clicking on the image, Effects, Shadows, and Backdrop Shadow. Here you can also adjust the shadow, blur, and transparency, which I will do so. Alright, now let's adjust the placement of our image on the page and duplicate the page. Then go back to the first page, delete the product photo from your first page, and let's add animation to our text. So select all the text and go to Animate, and here you'll find a bunch of animation styles to try out with your text. And for these kinds of posts, for the text specifically, I like to use the neon effect, but I recommend you experiment with each animation and see which one best fits your design. Don't forget to add an animation also to your product on the second page, and once you're done, download both pages together so that it is saved as one video, and you can adjust the timing of each page over here. And I recommend you change the timing because it's 5 seconds by default and it's really long. Now that we downloaded our video, let's open it and let's see. This is the final result of our product ad. As you can see, both videos come together really well, and this is a very easy project to use when promoting a video or even a service. So this was my video on creating motion graphics for your business on social media. This is an incredibly easy but effective way to create promotional posts for your products and services. Of course, there are endless ways to boosting engagement, and this was one of them. Hopefully this video has helped a little bit. Thank you for watching and keep creating.